Hi, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and we are at the Lancome counter in Dillards McCain Mall, and it is time for the summer 2022 gift with purchase. And what that means is when you buy $39.50 of any product of Lancome, you get the free gift. So come in here, baby. Show. Okay. You either get the anti-aging collection or the brightening collection, and this is the absolute samples that are our premium Lancome skincare. Or with the anti-aging, you get the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action and the sample of the Genifique Serum, and you've got two different kind of cleansers. With the anti-aging comes the Cream Mousse Comfort. It is so smooth and silky, and the Milling Mousse, which is a cleanser that emulsifies like a mousse. With this one, and both eye palettes are exactly the same with your base shade, your contour, and your highlighter, and you get this cute little gold bag. And the bags this year are bigger than usual. Now, if you buy $80 worth of product, you get the step-ups, and you guys have seen the Genifique hydrogel mask. I've made a video of that before, and you also get the eye makeup remover and the Cils Booster mascara sample with that. And if you go with the anti-aging, you get the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action and the Tonique Comfort, that's a toner, and also the Cils Booster, which is a mascara booster. But I'm making my choices right now at Lancome, so stay tuned for another video. I am pre-selling now, but the gift actually starts July 15th, and that is Thursday, so be sure and call or come by your nearest Lancome counter. Thank you. Bye.